In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. You can open your web browser and type in clickup.com or simply click the link in the description below. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Log In button positioned in the top right corner. Click on this to proceed. Now, you'll need to log in to your account. If you've already integrated Google with ClickUp, which is a convenient feature for seamless access, choose the option that says Continue with Google. You'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you wish to use for ClickUp and you'll be logged in shortly. With a successful login, you'll find yourself in your workspace. Look towards the left panel and you should see a plus icon nestled there. Clicking on this icon will allow you to start creating your project. The layout is designed to be intuitive so that you can easily navigate through the options available. Next up, we have templates. Click the Templates option provided after you hit the plus icon. Templates are an excellent way to give your project a strong start as they come pre-filled with structures and elements specifically tailored for different projects. This can save you a lot of time and effort. With the Templates section open, head over to the search bar and type in Project. This search will pull up a variety of project templates available for you to use. Browse through these options to find one that suits your needs. Whether you're managing marketing tasks or setting up for software development, ClickUp's templates cater to diverse project areas. Once you've identified a project plan that aligns with your objectives, it's time to select it. Simply click on your chosen template to preview its layout and features. This step ensures that you're indeed selecting the best framework for your vision. When you're satisfied with your choice, find the Use Template button and click on it. This action will apply the template to your workspace, and just like that, your project is set up and ready for further customization. And there you have it, a newly created project in ClickUp ready for you to tailor and manage. This process not only boosts your productivity by leveraging pre-made structures, but also keeps your tasks organized and on track. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Happy planning in ClickUp!